Regression analysis. This is a set of statistical methods that can be used to estimate the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. So it can be utilized to assess the strength of relationship between variables and also used for modeling the future relationship between them. We can see there are different types of regression models which allow to identify significant variables which have impact on a topic of interest. By performing regression analysis, we can determine which factors matter most, which factors can be ignored, and how these factors influence each other. So let's examine the model fitting and their assumptions using the real-world applications. Let's see what is the generalized linear models. Generalized linear model is an advanced statistical modeling technique that generalizes linear regression by allowing the linear model to be related to the response variable through a link function. All generalized linear models have three components. The first one is random component. This identifies the response variable which has independent observation and also specify the probability distributions according to its behavior. The second one is systematic component. This specifies the predictor variables as linear combinations. These linear combinations of predictor variable is called as linear predictors. The last one is link function. This is about the link between the random component and the systematic component. There are various link functions we can use for specific models such as identity link, log link, and inverse link. Now see what are the type of generalized linear models that can be applied for statistical analysis. When our response variable is normally distributed, an independent variable is continuous and or categorical, using the identity link functions we can fit linear regression model. When having the categorical variables, we have to fit the regression through dummy variables. When our response variable is binomial distributed, using the logistic link functions, we can fit logistic regression model for the categorical and no continuous independent variables. In this case, when having response variable as multinomial, we can fit logistic regression using generalized logistic link function. When the response variable has Poisson distributions, which mean discrete or count variable, we can fit log linear model through log link function. So let's examine the real-world applications of generalized linear models.